What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another WD detailing video. I'm RJ and this is Aaron, who just towed a 1987 Buick Grand National out of his backyard. That's been sitting for how long?
About 25 years.
25 years it's been sitting in this backyard. The damage to the paint is pretty extensive, and we really got our work cut out for us. But it's been in his family for a really long time, so he reached out to us, said he had a barn find or a woods find, and yeah, here we are.
Alrighty guys, so as you can obviously tell, this car is not in good shape, and I know many of you might think that we might have put these leaves on this car or that it wasn't sitting for as long as the owner says, but I can 1,000, 1 million, 1 billion% assure you, we've never faked any video we've made, nor will we risk damaging a car further than it already is to get content. We take a lot of time to search for these vehicles, and we're very particular in the ones we choose. So if you ever question any of our videos or our integrity on this channel, it's 100% real, and we honestly do it because we know you guys love to watch it. I also want to take a quick second to announce that we're doing a 50,000 subscriber giveaway, and we're going to be teaming up with a very big detailer on YouTube. Some of you guys probably already watch his videos. If you guys have any clue who you think it might be, leave a comment below. That's the question comment of the video. Who do you think we're teaming up with to do this massive giveaway? Answer in the comments below. And obviously, because it's a 50,000 subscriber giveaway, make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you go hit that subscription button now, because anybody that subscribes to our channel before we hit 50K can win, and it's going to be massive. You guys don't want to miss out on this opportunity. while we go ahead and use the 2-bucket method to wash off the car, I wanted to take a second to let you guys know we're not going to do too many voiceovers in this video. I don't want to ruin the whole satisfying aspect of it. But if you're enjoying it, do us a huge favor and leave a like on the video. The likes help us a lot, it helps us grow the channel, and we really appreciate it.
So when we first walked up to the Grand National, the first thing we noticed is all these white spots and this texture that's all over the paint, which means that it was oversprayed with either roofing foam or with house paint, oil-based house paint. So we're hoping that it's house paint, otherwise it's gonna be a pain in the butt to clay it off. So, and thankfully, it is only house paint. Sweet.
And right away you could see the massive difference already.
All right, guys, so excuse the background noise. The gentleman next door has been blowing his leaves for the last 2 hours. So, but what we wanted to show you guys was we have some crow's feet, or some like to call it checking, in the paint. And a lot of times that means that this was repainted at one point and the prep work that was done on the panel wasn't done correctly before painting, causing the paint to actually split and crack in this fashion. So that's what we had thought originally. Then we checked our paint depth gauge. You can see that's 110 microns of paint that's left on the roof here, more than likely original paint. And then as we move into this area with all the damage, you're seeing greater than 500 microns, 490 microns, which generally means that there's probably some Bondo or putty that was placed there in order to even it out and make it flat again. So this has definitely been repainted, and that's why you're having all this, all these problems and damage in the paint. Aside from that, we have a lot of marring from the clay bar, probably because it's a softer clear coat. But we're gonna go ahead and tape around all our trim line and edge lines, and yeah, we're gonna get to polishing.
After polishing the whole car, we took our spray sealant and we wiped it in. It gave the car a little bit of protection and it made it shine a lot more. And honestly, this is a product that we really love.
All right, guys, just finished out. Aaron's about to come out. Let's see what he thinks. All right, man. We just finished up a second ago.
You can take a look at it.
Wow. Yeah, the majority of that paint came off. I'd say like 98% of it.
I haven't seen it this clean ever. Ever.
Heck yeah, man. That's always what we shoot for.
No, I don't think my dad's even seen it this clean since he bought it.
Yeah, feel the paint. Let me know if you feel a difference.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It used to feel gritty.
It was like sandpaper. It was
Yeah.
like 300 grit sandpaper before.
Wow. Even got some blister coming out of it.
Yeah, she cleaned up pretty nice. I mean, for what she was to where she is now.
It needs body work, but
Yeah, definitely.
that's
But-
beautiful, man. I can't wait to show them.
Heck yeah, dude. Thanks for letting us come out and do it. We really appreciate it.
Oh, no problem. It's nice to have the experience.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, cool. If that's all, that's goodbye for me. And Brent's got something to say real quick.
All right, guys, don't forget, I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're gonna be doing a massive 50,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like the video. And as soon as we get to that point, we're gonna do the giveaway, and we're gonna mention more about it in the next video. We'll talk about it a little more than we did here. So just know it's with a really big detailing YouTuber. It's gonna be a cool collaboration, and we'll see you guys next Friday. Peace.